It's 7:30 a.m. and we're in Glendale, Arizona, suburban Phoenix. It's an absolutely gorgeous 59 degrees this morning and sunny, of course, because here the skies are not cloudy all day. I just love it here. I've been living in Phoenix and in the Los Angeles area all of my adult life, and I made them a small town. Right along with me, and I'll show you what I'm looking at. Try to explain what I mean. There are good things and bad things about living in a small town, which I'm sure you know if you've ever lived in a small town. And if I may quote John Cougar Mellencamp, I can breathe in a small town. It's just a feeling. And so when I headed out into the big scary world on my own at age 19, I decided I would make every place a small town. Of course, I really didn't want to live in a small town. I wanted to live in the big city, like Los Angeles, where there are a lot of gorgeous girls. But in spite of the gorgeous girls, I still got the LA heebie-jeebies from the crowding, the noise, the confusion, the commotion. Traffic never, ever subsided, 24/7. Parking spots were almost impossible to find. And that big city mentality starts to weigh on you. The competition. People stop being nice to each other. All the faces are strangers. But I wanted something different. I learned the names of the people in my neighborhood, the people who worked there, and the people that I saw every day. I called them by name. And when someone called me by name, saying, "Good morning, Brad," I was in a small town. Nice feeling. And I've even tried to make a small town out of my YouTube community, which is international. And there are a lot of anonymous people out there, hiding, frightened, and I understand. I've seen a lot of that. And that leads me to one of the negative things about living in a small town. Privacy. Everybody seems to know your business. So if you want privacy, I'll respect that. I've even known people who prefer to be called by a code name instead of having their real name shouted out in public. And that's why I always ask, what would you like to be called? Instead of, what's your name? There is a difference. And I've got another trick for turning Phoenix into a small town. I get up real early. I wave to the people I see along the way. Sometimes I see them wave back, and sometimes they don't. Well, thanks for riding along with me and being in a small town with me. See you next time.